Here's the step-by-step guide that actually works. Step 1. Kill your vague dreams. Right now, sit down and write down exactly what you want. Not get fit. Write lose 12 kilograms by June and run 5 kilometers without stopping. Be brutally specific. Vague goals create vague results. Make them clear, measurable, and put a deadline on each one. Step 2. Build your daily system. Goals mean nothing without systems. Pick 3 non-negotiable habits that move you toward your goals every single day. Wake up at the same time. Train 4 days a week. Cut the junk food after 8 p.m. Write them down and make them stupidly small in the beginning so you can't fail. Step 3. Fix your environment. Stop fighting willpower. Delete the apps that waste your time. Remove junk food from the house. Tell your friends exactly what you're doing so they stop tempting you. If your surroundings don't support your goals, change them immediately. Step 4. Track everything. Every night, spend 2 minutes reviewing your day. Did you do your habits? Yes or no? No long excuses, just facts. Use a simple notebook or your phone. The moment you stop tracking, you start slipping. Step 5. Protect your mindset. Every single day, something will try to pull you off course. When that happens, remind yourself why you started. Speak to yourself like a winner, not a victim. And when you mess up, because you will, get back on track the very next day. If you actually follow these 5 steps, you won't recognize yourself by December. Most people watch this, feel motivated for 24 hours, then go back to their old life. Don't be most people. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today, you got this, but only if you do the work.